This is an introduction to order of operations. What I mean by order of operations is the order in which we do things, like do we multiply first or do we divide first, or do we do parentheses first, or do we do exponents first. The acronym we use for this is PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. Others learned it as Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, or even something else. There's all kinds of variations of this. But these stand for certain things, and this tells you the order in which to do your operations. So let's take a look. The P stands for parentheses, and what this means is you start here at the top and work your way down. So the first thing you do is parentheses, and then last thing you do is subtract. Okay, so let's see. So first we do parentheses, and then E is for exponents, M is for multiply, D is for divide, A is for add, S is for subtract. And this is really great, except for it has one drawback. And it comes right in here. Multiply and divide are next to each other. When you have a multiply and a divide right next to each other, just go left to right. And I'll show you what I mean by that shortly. So when next to each other, or adjacent, may have been an easier way of saying that, go left to right. Okay, left to right. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, let's do a very simple example. Let's just do 12 divided by 3 times 2. Okay, if you followed PEMDAS strictly, it would tell you to do multiply before divide, which would give us 3 times 2, which is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So does this equal 2? Or if we went left to right, that doesn't exactly follow PEMDAS, right? That would be 12 divided by 3, which is 4, times 2, which is 8. It turns out that's the correct one. So you have to be a little bit careful with PEMDAS. When you have a multiply and a divide right next to each other, you proceed from left to right. Other than that, this PEMDAS works great. We'll get into some examples and you can see how it goes.